Hey guys, this week's theme is freestyle. So today we're going to make some slime. So you will need this food coloring. So she's making it right now, and we have a very special guest with me. Come on over. It's Brandon. He is 5 years old. He's turning 6. He's turning 6 this year. This month. So he's my cousin, and his birthday is September 25th or 26th. I do not know. So 25th. Yeah, it's till 25th, and we're making some slime. So the first thing you will need, glue.
A cup of glue, and then we added some glitter.
Yeah, it's optional. You don't need to add that. Okay. And then we're gonna add these two. We're gonna add some glow-in-the-dark stuff. So it's my sister. She's 21. I'm 8. He's 5. Almost turning 6. And we're gonna add some glow-in-the-dark. So I hope it works. So we got some pink, rose, and sky blue food coloring, and we got some shaving cream. What, did you add that yet?
Oh, that's next.
And we got some baby oil. Oh, and I forgot to mention this too. So this one.
Squirt the shaving cream in here.
You watch him do it. We're gonna squirt the shaving cream in. I'm pushing. Got it? Whoa, guys.
Oh.
I'm pushing so hard. Tell him if they can see that.
Oh, there you go. Now do it.
Now he's gonna squirt.
Go ahead.
Woo!
Oh, turn it over. Now do it. What it? Here.
I don't know what's going on. It's probably running out. Shake it up first. I think you gotta shake it up.
There's still. Oh! Making a mess over here, folks.
Good. There we go. We need 1 cup. So we're gonna pour that in.
Maybe.
Yep. In a oh my god.
This goes in the trash.
Whoopsies. Trashy. This is the stick. Trashy. So she's putting the shaving cream in. How about you bring it over here so they can see? Hey, what did you put that over there?
Well, I'm making it for you guys so that way
So
it doesn't get all over.
you're gonna watch my sister for that.
Then you can just talk. Just hold the camera by the.
Can I see you?
Yeah, you don't need to see. There you go. Keep it there. Now you can see the bowl. That's all you need to see. All right. So
So
we're mixing shaving cream and what else is in here?
glow in the dark stuff, and
Glue, glitter.
we're gonna add some pink. And then our next video is going to be outside if the slime doesn't work. Well, still, if it works, we're going to do an outside video. Right, Bren? Yeah.
Let them know the best kind of glue to use, babe.
The best kind of glue is washable glue.
The white glue, yeah.
Yeah. And it has to be 1 cup of glue, 1 cup of shaving cream, glitter optional, glow in the dark optional.
And then you don't put a color to it either.
Yeah, we're going to put the color pink, because last time we made it pink, but we didn't make a video. And yes. Is this still recording? Probably, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So, we're going to add lots. That's a really dark pink. So, we're going to mix it. It's actually a rose pink. So, you're going to add lots and lots and lots and lots. So, it's lots and lots. We're going to mix that all, and it's going to turn pink. Pink. Look at that. It turns so pink. Yep, it's going to work. Yay, it's going to work. Yay, guys. Whoop, whoop. This is going to work. There's shaving cream on your chin. Right there. You see it? Yeah. Yes. Nope. Nope. It's still a little white.
Where is it? Get
Not
it.
here.
Thanks. Got it?
Nope. Just a little.
Whatever, I don't care. I'll get it later.
So, bubble gum. It looks like bubble gum. Like like a big bubble gum. So we're making that, and then we're going to use. All we need to use is the contact solution. I can never say that right. Contact solution. There we go. Contact solution. Try to say contact solution 5 times fast. Everyone fails. Everyone.
Everyone does?
Yeah. Say 8 now.
Alright, next you're supposed to put
The baking
in
soda.
a teaspoon of cornstarch, but we don't have that, so we're going to try to do without it. So we're going to do a half a teaspoon of baking soda. Whoops.
We don't need that bowl anymore, so. So you're gonna do that. The cornstarch makes it stretchy, but who cares? It's slime. Hello. Well, Yeah. I know everything has to be slime with it has to be stretchy, but we're not gonna make it stretchy. We're just gonna make it lotion. That's optional too.
Oh no, we'll do this instead. Yeah.
Baby oil or lotion, which I optional. Baby oil is optional. That just gives it the good smell.
It gives it shiny too.
Yeah, it gives it shiny. I made some slimes. I'll show you in my next video before we go outside. Or maybe I'll show you after. Yeah, I'm gonna show you after. Sorry if this is long, because I did a lot of talking. So, yeah, we added the baby oil, and then we're going to add the. So we had Ren. Ah, he's being cutie. Is it recording? Yep, it's recording.
Alright.
But I gotta add that. Can I see the bowl? Here it comes. It's coming together. Sorry if you see my face. Oh my gosh, it's coming together. Woo! And then after you see it coming together, then you're going to play with it. You're going to mix it with your hands after. When it's like, you're going to mix it with your hands, start mixing it with your hands. Sorry if you can't see for a second, because I need it. There you go, now you can see. Just for a second, all she did was mixing. I am not lying, I promise. All she's doing is mixing. And it's gonna look cool, I promise. And bubble gum. It looks like bubble gum. Real bubble gum. It looks like real bubble gum, maybe, but not. It's gonna be glow in the dark, so let's see if it actually glows. Yeah, because that dark pink, kind of. The glow in the dark stuff might work. Yeah. I don't know. We had a little bit. It's from a different kit. It's just from a kit. Then, Ava. Ava, what are you thinking? It's working. Yep, that's what I'm thinking. It's gonna be mine slime. It'll be both of our slimes? Yeah, but it's gonna stay at my own. Yeah. So when you come over, it's both of ours.
No, you can split it in half.
Yeah. Okay. So, I think it's done.
No.
Oh, no, it's not done. We just gotta mix it with your hands. Is it optional or it's too sticky?
Yeah, once it gets really sticky, you have to mix it with your hands because the spoon won't get it anymore. Alright, I need someone to squirt some more of that in there for me.
I will. We're just gonna put you right here. I am so sorry. There we go. So now you're gonna see all of it. Yeah. I see all of it. Hey, what?
Alright, needs more. A lot more. Whoa. Keep going. Alright.
You don't want to add too much because last time. This is a contact solution. So first you will need some glue, which we ran out of glue. So we can't make slime anymore. Well, yes we can. All we gotta do is just buy more glue. Yep, we're gonna go buy more glue. We have all the materials except
Hey,
cornstarch.
I got that doll at my house. Yeah, I'll give you that
More.
for more glue.
It's still too sticky.
Are you serious? Ooh, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
It's been 10 minutes. I see it. Is it too sticky still?
Yep, still sticking to my hands.
Ava, my turn.
It's getting better.
Ava wanted me to have a turn with that.
Let him squirt it once. Oh, wait, there's some in the bowl. Hang on. Let me mix this in a little bit more.
Yeah.
And then do this. And then do.
We can mix it
Whoa.
with the...
Get in there. All right, a little bit more. All right, good.
Woo!
Let's spread.
It went everywhere. Right, Ava?
Or everywhere.
We're done. That smells good.
Is it good?
No, it's still sticking. It's got to be able to come all off my hands. It's almost there.
Oh, it is sticky. Here, let me add some.
If I'll do it. Let's open it up.
We're watching something. It's funny. Let's make our pants.
All right, a little more, guys.
Don't open it. Ava, help. Ava, help. Oh, there we go. I got it.
Go slow. There you go. All right,
So it
pause.
Ah. It just all finished.
Is it better?
Yeah, I got it.